In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Power Trade. Power Trade is E-Trade's advanced trading platform. It comes equipped with charts, screeners, options tools, and real-time market data, making it a robust tool for any trader. Let's start by signing into your Trade account. First, go to the Trade website. Once there, you'll need to sign in using your username and password. Be sure to keep your login details secure. This is important because protecting your credentials helps keep your account safe from unauthorized access. Once you are signed in, look for the Power Trade option in the navigation menu. Click on it, the platform will open in a new tab or window. If you don't see Power Trade, double-check that your brokerage account is open and funded. This step is crucial because without an open and funded account, you can't access the full functionalities of Power Trade. Now that you have Power Trade open, it's time to set up your workspace. This is where you can customize your layout by adding tools like watchlists, charts, positions, orders, news, and options chains. Arrange these panels in a way that suits your trading style. This customization means you can access the information you need quickly, saving you time and effort during active trading. Next up, let's create a watch list. Open the watchlist tool and click on Create Watchlist. Here you can enter stock symbols like AAPL for Apple or TSLA for Tesla. Once you've added your desired stocks, save the watchlist. This step is essential because it allows you to monitor stocks you're interested in all in one place. After your watch list is set, enable real-time quotes. Head over to the settings section. You might encounter market data agreements. Review these agreements and accept them to activate real-time quotes. Real-time data is vital for making informed trading decisions because it provides the most current market information. Now let's talk about setting up alerts. Start by searching for a stock you want to monitor. Once you find it, click the alert or bell icon. Enter a target price and save the alert. With this setup, you'll be notified when the stock reaches your specified price, allowing you to act swiftly when market conditions change. With that ready, it's time to familiarize yourself with the main trading tools. Some useful sections include charts for analyzing price movements, trade ticket for placing buy and sell orders, and the options chain for trading options. Market Movers helps you find active stocks, and Positions lets you track your holdings. Understanding these tools can enhance your trading experience by providing comprehensive insights and facilitating swift actions. Finally, let's place your first trade. Search for a stock you want to trade. Click on Trade and choose whether you want to buy or sell. Enter the number of shares you wish to trade. Then select an order type, either market or limit. Review the order details thoroughly before submitting it. This final review is crucial because it ensures that all the details are correct before executing the trade. You have now successfully set up Power Trade. Remember, practice makes perfect. Using these tools efficiently can make a significant difference in your trading success. Thank you for watching and happy trading.